What's going on, everybody? I'm Roman, welcome to my channel. For today's video I'm going to change pollen cabin filter on my Ford Focus Mark II, so stay with me. So glove box we have to remove a couple screws here. They are T25s. Yeah, there are some hidden ones here. We're going to use flat screwdriver to open this plastic thing. So we have to remove 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws. Screws are removed, so we can try to remove this plastic piece here. Just like that. And you can see here, right there at the back, you can see the cabin filter housing. You can see there, they are bolt, I don't know, 3, 4, they are 7mm bolts, so, but I have to drop this fuse box for better access. Alright, underneath, you can see there, yeah, there is a cabin filter housing, but to get there we have to drop this fuse box, and behind the fuse box is bracket holding the fuse box, so we have to remove it too. So it should be easy. We turn this which way. So to the left. Yeah, that's one side. And there is another one. It's on to the left too, so you can see now. Fuse box is free now. Something holding here. It's one side. And you can see there is a bracket. Has to be removed too. So better view from this. There is the bracket. Bracket there. So there are 2 screws there. They should be 13mm screws. Here we go. This one. Right there is second one. I need 2 hands for this. So bolts are out. I need to remove the bracket now. Sick. Like that. One side. Finally, you can see we have better access to cabin filter housing. So there are a couple screws, 7mm. So that's second one. Second one, third one, and one is missing. So I did remove 3 screws, should be 4, but one is missing. Now what I'm going to do, try to put it here. Okay. The cover. Yeah. And here we go. There is a pollen filter. Okay. Not sure. This is going out. This has to be up. 2. Sorry. This is going out. Yeah. This way. Bye-bye. Underneath, I have it here. Of course here. So come on. Come to Papa. Okay, so here you go. You can see the mark here. That's how the air going to cabin, and this one is dirty. So there are marks here, airflow. You can see the air is going this way to the cabin. I'm going to try from underneath here. So we have the air going like this. It will feel not shoot. Now I can grab it from grab it here. I need 2 hands for that. It was a little bit pain, but it is there. It's inside, that's the main thing. So next thing, cover. So the cover goes this way. See? Like that. See? Screws back. Screws are back. Next thing, bracket goes this way. Yeah. So the easiest way how to get the bracket there is underneath here. Just you lift this fuse box. You can see there. I still need to put 13mm bolts there. There are 2 bolts. Okay. So the bracket is there, and you can see here that's where sits for a fuse box. Yeah, so I just will try to put it in place here. It's like side. See properly on the side. This side is okay. Wait. This side is not. Yeah, there. Okay. Right, this. Put it in place. This side looks okay. Perfect. Okay. Check. All good. Box plastic bag. Screws. But first thing, this metal part. Yeah. Okay, couple screws. All screws are back. Job done. Talk to you next time.